I cannot believe how accurate we were in this price prediction. I gave you this level. You can go back. You can see that it literally gave you this level and I said I'm longing from it. And we were right here. We dumped by almost 10%. We managed to buy here. And the question is, where will I take my profits? And the answer is 4947. This is my Velodrome price prediction. I will not waste a second of your time. Keep in mind that the video is not financial advice. So first main reason I'm long this area right here, we drew it, we saw there's a lot of liquidity there, and this was this week, and on the 6 or 9 hour, from what I remember, we had an order block. Also VWAP is curving up on the daily chart, momentum's picking up on Bitcoin, we have RSI divergence as well, so everything's basically picture perfect, especially right here we had a strong divergence. So this is a picture perfect long in any sense. Let's see what the market will present us with for the future. If you're wondering more about my strategy, how I'm up 274 grand trading meme coins, use the links in the description below. I'll make another Velodrome video tomorrow. See you then.